Hello, wise friends. If you're like me, you've worked hard all your life to build a nest egg for your golden years. But did you know that sneaky hidden fees could be quietly eroding your savings right now? These invisible thieves lurk in your bank accounts, credit cards, investments, and everyday services, siphoning off hundreds or even thousands of dollars each year without you noticing. In this video from Elderly Wisdom, we'll uncover the top 10 hidden fees draining your savings and show you simple, fast fixes to plug those leaks. Stick around. Reclaiming your money starts today, and it could add up to a more secure retirement. Let's dive in. Fee number 1, bank maintenance fees. These are monthly charges your bank slaps on for simply having an account, often if your balance dips below a certain threshold. For many elders on fixed incomes, this can add up to $10 to $25 per month, totaling over $300 a year. They're hidden because banks bury them in fine print, and you might not even realize you're paying until you check your statements closely. To understand how they drain your savings, picture this. You're retired, drawing from Social Security, and your checking account hovers around $1,000. If the bank requires a $1,500 minimum to waive the fee, you're hit every month. Over time, this erodes your principal, reducing interest earnings and forcing you to dip into savings sooner for essentials like groceries or medications. Fixing this fast is straightforward. First, review your bank statements from the last 6 months to spot any recurring maintenance or service charges. Then, shop around for no-fee accounts. Many online banks like Ally or Capital One offer high-yield checking with no minimums and no monthly fees. Credit unions are another gem. They're member-owned and often waive fees for seniors. If you prefer your current bank, call their customer service and ask for a waiver based on your long-term relationship or senior status. Many will accommodate to keep you. Switching accounts? Use the bank's switch kit to automate transfers of direct deposits and automatic payments. It takes about a week. Meanwhile, consolidate accounts to maintain higher balances naturally. For example, merge multiple low-balance accounts into one. Set up alerts via your bank's app to notify you if your balance nears the minimum. This proactive step ensures you never pay these fees again. In the long run, opting for interest-bearing accounts without fees not only stops the drain, but grows your savings. Remember, every dollar saved from fees is a dollar that works for you. By addressing bank maintenance fees promptly, you're safeguarding your financial foundation. Fee number 2, ATM surcharges. ATM fees sneak up when you withdraw cash from a machine not affiliated with your bank. Out-of-network charges can be $3 to $5 per transaction, plus your bank's fee of another $2 to $3. For elders who prefer cash for daily expenses, this adds up quickly. Say 4 withdrawals a month could cost $20 to $32, or up to $384 yearly. These fees drain savings by turning convenience into a costly habit. You're essentially paying extra for your own money, which reduces the effective balance in your account and limits compound interest growth. Over years, it compounds the loss, especially if inflation is eating at your fixed income. To fix this fast, start by locating in-network ATMs. Use your bank's app or website to map free ones near your home, grocery store, or pharmacy. Apps like ATM Finder can help too. Next, plan ahead. Withdraw larger amounts less frequently from in-network machines to minimize trips. For instance, take out $200 once a week instead of $50 4 times. Consider switching to a bank with a vast ATM network, like Chase or Wells Fargo, or one that reimburses out-of-network fees, such as Schwab Bank. They often refund up to $15 monthly in surcharges. If you're with a smaller bank, join an alliance like Allpoint, which offers 55,000 surcharge-free ATMs nationwide. Another quick tip, use cashback options at stores. When buying groceries at Walmart or CVS, get $20 to $100 back at checkout with no fee. It's like a free ATM. Set up mobile banking alerts for low balances to avoid rushed withdrawals. By implementing these changes, you'll reclaim those fees and keep more in your savings. It's a simple shift that pays off immediately. Fee number 3. Credit card annual fees. Many credit cards charge an annual fee just for holding the card, ranging from $50 to $500 or more on premium cards. These are hidden in the card agreement and auto-charged to your balance, often without a separate notice. For elders using cards for rewards or emergencies, this can quietly drain £100 yearly. The drain happens as the fee reduces your available credit and adds to interest if unpaid. It also offsets any rewards earned, making the card a net loss. Over time, it chips away at savings allocated for debt payoff or emergencies. Fix it fast by reviewing your cards. Log into your online account or call the issuer to confirm any annual fees. If present, weigh the benefits. Do perks like travel insurance justify the cost? If not, downgrade to a no-fee version from the same issuer. They often allow this without a credit check. Shop for no annual fee alternatives. Cards like Discover It or Capital One. Quicksilver offer cash back without fees. Transfer balances if needed, but watch for transfer fees. Negotiate with your current issuer. Mention your loyalty as a senior customer, and they might waive it for a year. Close unused cards carefully to avoid credit score dips. Keep utilization low. Set calendar reminders for fee due dates to cancel in time. This fix preserves your savings and optimizes card use for gains, not losses. Fee number 4. Overdraft. Protection. Overdraft fees occur when you spend more than your account balance, and the bank covers it, for a price, typically $35 per transaction. These are hidden because they're triggered unexpectedly, like from auto payments, and can cascade if multiple hit at once. For elders, this drains savings rapidly. One overdraft might lead to several, totaling 100 plunks in a day, pulling from linked savings accounts and incurring more fees. To fix fast, opt out of overdraft protection via your bank's app or a call. Transactions will simply decline instead. Link a savings account for free transfers, but set limits to protect it. Monitor balances daily with apps. Use budgeting tools like Mint to track spending. Switch to banks like Ally that don't charge its overdrafts. Set low balance alerts and maintain a buffer of $100 or $200 in checking. These steps stop the drain immediately. Fee number 5. Investment management fees. These are charges from financial advisors or funds, like 1% of assets annually. Hidden in prospectuses, they compound over time. On a $100,000 portfolio, that's $1,000 yearly, potentially $30,000 over 20 years lost to fees. They drain by reducing returns. High fees eat into growth, leaving less for retirement withdrawals. Fix fast. Review statements for expense ratios. Switch to low-cost index funds from Vanguard or Fidelity, with fees under 0.1%. Use robo-advisors like Betterment for automated, low-fee management. If with an advisor, negotiate fees or go fee only. Diversify into ETFs. Regularly rebalance to minimize costs. This preserves your nest egg for longer. Fee number 6. Late payment. Fees credit cards and bills charge $25 to $40 for late payments, hidden in terms if you miss due dates. For elders with multiple bills, this can add $200 a plus yearly. It drains by adding interest and hurting credit, leading to higher rates elsewhere. Fix fast. Set auto payments for minimums. Use calendar apps for reminders. Consolidate bills with services like Bill.com. Negotiate waivers on first offenses. Prioritize high-fee bills. This prevents accumulation. Fee number 7, inactivity fees on accounts. Some banks or brokers charge $10, $20 monthly for dormant accounts. Hidden in terms, they hit after 6 to 12 months of no activity. Drain savings by quietly deducting from idle funds like old IRAs. Fix fast. Log in regularly or set small recurring transfers. Consolidate accounts. Close unused ones after transferring funds. Check escapement laws to reclaim if dormant too long. Fee number 8, subscription renewal. Fees forgotten. Auto renewals for magazines, streaming, or gyms charge full price yearly, $10 to $100 each. Drains by accumulating on unused services, totaling $500 plus annually. Fix fast. Review bank statements for recurring charges. Use apps like Trim to cancel. Set reminders for trials. Opt for manual renewals. This reclaims money quickly. Fee number 9, currency conversion fees. When traveling or shopping abroad, cards add 1 to 3% per transaction. Drains international purchases or remittances. Fix fast. Get no foreign fee cards like Capital One Venture. Use cash or local ATMs wisely. Fee number 10, insurance policy lapse. Fees, life or annuity policies charge for reinstatement after missed premiums, $50, $100. Drains by forcing repays or loss of coverage. Fix fast. Set auto drafts. Review policies annually. Shop competitive rates. There you have it, dear viewers. The 10 hidden fees that could be draining your hard-earned savings and the quick fixes to stop them in their tracks. By taking these steps, you're not just saving money. You're securing peace of mind in your retirement. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and share with a friend. Subscribe to Elderly Wisdom for more practical advice tailored for us seasoned folks. Tips on health, finance, and living fully. Hit that bell for notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. Stay wise and prosperous.